If you're using Claude Code in big codebases, I have good news for you. With the new Graphify project, you can cut token usage by up to 71%. But before we see the full demo, let's see how it works. Let's say we started to work on a new project that contains about 500 files. What will happen when we're going to ask a new question about this repository? Without Graphify, Claude Code will use the grep command. This command allows Claude Code to scan the whole repository and to look for the relevant files. Every time we start a new session in Claude Code, we load the claude.md file. So the grep command will try to find clues in this file and to start scanning the repository from the file that seems connected. So on the first day we are working on this repository, we're going to load the claude.md file and Claude Code will start diving into this codebase. But what will happen when we're going to ask the same question the following day, when we have a new session? The whole process will happen again. We'll load again claude.md and Claude Code will do the same searches without learning from the previous execution. Doing this with every session will lead to a huge token consumption. Luckily we have a solution. Graphify comes to the rescue. Let's see what will happen when we use Graphify. Again, on the first day we are going to load claude.md. After that we are going to initialize Graphify inside our project and it will create a new graph of our codebase. This is how it looks like. Graphify creates a huge graph from our codebase. Every node here represents a class or a function. So if you want to understand what a specific function is doing, you can know exactly what it is connected to and to have better understanding of this function. With this graph, Claude Code doesn't need to learn everything from scratch every time. It can just get to this graph and search inside to get all the info it needs. I'll share a link for this tweet in the description. Let's continue with our diagram. So on the first day, we have a graph that represents our whole code base. So in the next session, we can use this graph and learn from previous executions. And instead of searching the whole code base, we can just query the graph. But what will happen when we change the code base and the graph is not valid anymore? Don't worry, we're going to talk about it in a minute. Let's see it in action. By the way, I forgot to introduce myself. I help developers turn AI into real workflows, so sub and like, it really helps me provide more value for you. So this is the Graphify repo. This repo is very popular. In less than 20 days, it got 37k stars in GitHub. Graphify supports other AI coding agents like Codex, OpenCode, Cursor, Antigravity, and more. To install Graphify, you need to execute one of these commands. After we install Graphify on our computer, we need to pick the AI coding agent. I'm going with the first command because I want to run it with Claude Code on Mac. After that, I created a new session in Claude Code, and now we have a new Graphify skill. Let's see what it does. Any input, it creates a knowledge graph, clustered communities, and we want to execute it on this repository, on this project. So I'll add a dot and let's run it. And that's it. Now we have a new folder called Graphify out. When we click on it, we have a graph report. Let's see what we have in this project. In this project, it created 664 nodes with 55 communities, and you can see the list of all these connections and edges that we have in this project. If we want to see the graph, we need to execute this command, open Graphify out graph.html. And now it opened the graph on the browser. Let's analyze one of the nodes. For example, let's understand what this means. This is a function, and this function is connected to this page, timestamp converter page. You can see all the functions that are used in this page, and this page is connected to one of the page objections that we have in this website. In addition to the beauty of this graph, this helps Claude Code to digest and understand our project and the connections. The main advantage of Graphify is the fact it saves all its output on your project and doesn't expose it to the internet. Graphify also knows how to handle videos, images, and files. But what will happen when you modify your project? Luckily, we have an update command. With this command, Graphify will make sure we're working on a valid graph and all the changes are included. I recommend to add this command to your Claude.md so Claude will update your graph automatically. Using Graphify is a great way to save tokens. But if you want to take it to the next level, you must be familiar with the advisor command. Luckily, I created this video for you.